However, because CPU is completely useless if it can't remember what it is working, we will move to the next step, which is building memory. The CPU needs a place to store its data and its list of instructions. In a modern computer, engineers use lightning-fast solid-state drives, or SSDs, which use incredibly complex flash memory. But buying high-end SSD chips is completely out of the budget. They are way too expensive, and they are impossible to create by hand. Instead, we have to get creative and look at how older computers solve this storage using magnetism. I would choose to build a basic hard disk drive, or HDD system, using a cheap, rotating magnetic platter. Even through, I would probably end up buying it anyway because there is no way I could build it from scratch. Here's how it works. To build on budget storage, we can use an old, broken vinyl record player or a small electric motor to spin a metallic disc at a constant speed. Right above the spinning disc, we place a tiny electromagnet made by wrapping copper wire around a small piece of iron. When our CPU wants to save a piece of data, it sends an electrical pulse to the electromagnet, which creates a tiny magnetic field and permanently magnetizes a microscopic spot on the spinning disc. If the spot is magnetized pointing north, it represents a 1. If it points south, it represents a 0. To read the data back, the disc spins under the coil again, and the moving magnetic spots generate a tiny electrical current in the wire, sending the 0s and 1s straight back to the CPU. It would be slow, and I'm not even sure if it would work properly, but it gives us massive amounts of functional storage space for virtually $0.